press the button. Good job, Johnny. Why is it? Ah! It's after me! So, Opila Bird. Ah! Cue card. We did it. It's the Opila Bird again. I gotta press this button again. Hi. Oh man, I was gonna land on the Opila Bird. And, well, hello there. I will jump on you, Opila Bird. And you will be sorry. Yeet! Oh my goodness, what just happened? And Mr. Opila Bird is coming again. Why? Ah! The Opila Bird is coming again. Why must you follow me, Opila Bird? I already fed you all for eggs. I tamed you like a Minecraft dog. Ah! The Opila Bird does not like me. Hi. Mr. Opila Bird is coming. Can I press you on that button again? Well, I can't go this way now. No, Opila Bird is coming this way. Don't you dare do it. Pressing the button. Go do it. Mr. Opila Bird is here. This is not good. Run! Ah! I'm being chased by an Opila Bird. Beep. Oh no, I gotta go save him now.